Hi guys! Today we will dive into the method of how to bulk delete emails in Gmails. So let's dive into this. The first thing is head over to Gmail. And once you leave it there, you have to find those emails which you want to delete in bulk. Like if you have specific from a website or from app. And if you want to delete your all inbox emails in bulk, then click on this box icon and you can see all 50 conversations on this page are selected. In order to delete, click on this delete icon and delete it. But if you want to delete an email from a specific website, then in the search bar, search for that. Just like I want to delete from Temo. Now here I have all the emails which I received from Temo in order to delete. Click on this select icon and tap on the option delete. And then you can see the 50 conversations move to bin in order to delete more. Again, click on this select and tap on option delete. Now all the emails from Temo are deleted. But it's not over here. Click on this arrow and move to your bin. Once you will be there, do the same just like you did in your inbox. Click on the option delete forever. Here you can see messages that have been in the bin for more than 30 days will be deleted automatically. Click here and tap on the option OK. And you can see the bin is now empty. And that's it.